Welcome to Hootsuite Academy's platform training course, designed to give you direct access to the power of Hootsuite. We'll start by covering the foundations of the Hootsuite dashboard, so you can create and schedule content across multiple social networks, manage posts in a calendar view, and reach your audience at the best times. Once your accounts are set up, we'll show you how to monitor your networks and strengthen engagement with your audience in real time. We'll also give you a tour of the Hootsuite mobile app, so you can manage your content on the go, and walk you through the app directory, which is an extensive library of tools you can add to your dashboard. Once you've got the basics down, we'll kick it up a notch with some advanced uses of Hootsuite. We'll show you how to keep track of all incoming private and public messages to improve customer care and engagement. And to prove your strategy works, you'll learn how to use analytics to track in-depth performance data on the metrics that matter the most to your brand. Throughout the course, we'll also help you understand social marketing concepts, like promoting organic content, implementing social listening tactics, and how to manage a crisis. After completing the course, take the certification exam to cement your expertise and earn a certificate that you can add as a credential on LinkedIn to show off your skills in the Hootsuite dashboard.